right, so now we're in the part for ink selection, and here Spark offers their members a lot of a wide range of inks that you can also mix to create your own colors. We do say that if you're going to use Spark's inks, to please give back, just because that will help replenish the materials that have been used. You also have the option to bring in your own inks. All right, so for this step, you're going to want to use tape and scissors, and also your screen. And always make sure that when you're using your screen, always make sure you're using the flat side. So this is not the flat side, this is the flat side. So you want to start with this, get your tape, and then make sure to tape all the sides that are clear. So no emulsion on it. And you're going to want to tape them off. And we do this because that will not allow the ink to seep through those sides, so it won't mess up your print. All right, so now your screen's ready. All right, so now we are at the step where you want to collect all your materials, so these being your prepared screen, the Mylar, which is just plastic, and this will make more sense later, veneer clamps. We also need the wooden plank to be aligned with the clamps. You're also going to need spatula, your squeegee that is a little bigger than your design, your paint of choice, tape, and some napkins to clean up. All right, so now that we have all our materials collected, we're gonna want to come to this side, or we also have that side, but this side where the clamps are at, and we're gonna clamp in our frame. And we're first going to screen print on the sheet of plastic. And the reason why we do that is because that tells us where to position our paper. But I'll show you more then. All right. So just want to spread out your paint like so. Then you want to get your squeegee and just run down with it. All right, and then knock off the excess. And then lift this up. And so you're able to see your screen print. And so now you know the positioning of that. You want to get whatever you're screen printing on right here. And the plastic sheet is just to let you know where exactly you would like to position your design onto the, in this case, piece of paper that you're screen printing on. And so if I want it, let's say, on the right-hand corner of my piece of paper, I'll position it there. And then we can flip this over because we're done with that. And then this is where the tape comes in. And so basically with the tape, what we want to do is know exactly where we're putting our paper at if we want to do like multiple prints. So we just put that down. All right, and so then what you do is that now that we have it on this side, just do the same thing, but going upwards. And knock off and do the same thing. All right. And you have successfully screen printed. All right, so that is a wrap on screen printing.
We hope you all enjoyed the video, and we also hope you've taken a certification class for screen printing, so this video can serve as a great resource for you in the future.